Most of the administration in WordPress is done through the dashboard. The WordPress dashboard is your control panel for everything in your WordPress installation. You can manage posts, pages, media, internal settings, plugin settings, theme settings, widgets, and a plethora of other aspects of WordPress as well. You can access the dashboard through the site admin link in the meta widget, which is available on the front page of your site by default, or by browsing to your domain /wp-admin. I suggest bookmarking wp-admin as we will be removing the meta widget in later sessions. Once you've logged into the dashboard, you'll see a Welcome to WordPress box above what would normally be located in the dashboard home. This box can guide you on the first steps of creating a WordPress site. It prompts you to customize your site with a large blue button. Clicking that button will take you to the theme's customization screen. Theme customization will be covered in detail in later lessons, so we'll move on to the next steps. The items listed in next steps are the foundation of your site's content. You can create your first post, add an about page, and view what changes and additions you've made to the site until this point. The rightmost column gives us some more advanced options. Managing widgets and menus will allow you to personalize the navigation of your site and add features to the sidebar, such as a calendar or RSS feed. You can also turn comments on and off from this group. This option is useful for those sites that aren't trying to form a community. Not all WordPress sites are actually blogs, and comments aren't always welcome, especially given the time that may be required to moderate the comments that do come in. If you're not trying to build a social site and have interaction with your readers, you may consider this option. Once you've completed the Getting Started box, you should get rid of it by clicking Dismiss in the upper right corner of the box. Now we've got the standard dashboard homepage. You can see statistics regarding the amount of content you have and what types of content you have, the number of contents, and their statuses. You can view recent comments and moderate them without leaving the home screen. The incoming links box will let you know when someone else has linked to your site. Linkbacks are very important in search engine optimization, and this provides valuable information as to what demographics are actually taking an interest in your content. Below incoming links, we see plugins. This lists the most popular and newest plugins. In the right column, we see Quick Press. Quick Press is simply a way to quickly publish a post. It lacks some of the more advanced features found in the larger post editor, but is handy when you just need to make a short, informational post. The Recent Drafts box lists the most recent drafts so that you can view and manage them. It's common for sites that have multiple authors to save new posts as drafts before an administrator reviews and publishes the posts. Finally, the WordPress blog RSS feed and other WordPress news occupies the last two boxes. You can collapse any of the boxes so the content isn't shown by clicking the downward-facing arrow at the rightmost of the title headers, and you can reconfigure some of them to show a different RSS feed. For instance, let's look at the WordPress blog box configuration. We can change the title, RSS feed URL, how many items to display, and set display settings, such as defining whether or not we want to display the content, author, or date. The buttons in the left sidebar are your navigational buttons for the WordPress dashboard. From here you have complete control over your posts, media, pages, comments, the appearance of your blog, your plugins, users, access to tools, and settings. Each of these functions will be explored in depth throughout this course.